Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up event marketing using Eventbrite for online sales step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Eventbrite website and create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account to access the dashboard. Click on the Create Event button to initiate the setup process. Choose the type of event you are planning, such as a workshop, concert, or conference. Fill in the basic event information like the event title, date, and time. Add a compelling event description that outlines what attendees can expect. Upload a visually appealing event image to attract more attendees. Set the event location, whether it's a physical venue or an online platform. Select the ticket types you want to offer, such as free, paid, or donation-based tickets. Configure the pricing for each ticket type, ensuring to consider any fees that may apply. Decide on the quantity of tickets available for purchase. Set up early bird pricing or discount codes if you want to incentivize early registrations. Choose the event privacy settings, such as public, private, or invite only. Review the event details for accuracy and clarity. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your event live. Share the event link through your social media channels and email lists to maximize reach. Monitor ticket sales and engage with potential attendees for updates and reminders. Prepare for the event by ensuring that all technical aspects are in place for online events. After the event, follow up with attendees for feedback and future engagement opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.